As relocation specialists, Catherine and I work with people who are moving to Florida who may not have heard about the insurance box. And when I say box, this is not something you can order from Amazon Prime.
That is true. We're not talking Amazon Prime. We're talking the hurricane box. You cannot get homeowners insurance if there is a hurricane anywhere out there in that box.
Welcome back to our channel.
I'm Catherine Larkin.
And I'm Tom Steck, and together we are
the TomKat Team.
We're diving into a hot topic regarding insurance when people buy homes in Florida during the hurricane season. This has to do with a concept the insurance industry calls the insurance safety window.
Or the box.
When we talk about a box, we're not talking about something you ship things in. We're talking about a square, over 16,000 square miles, covering Florida, several of the southeastern states, and most of the Gulf of Mexico. That's a box.
As hurricane season approaches, many homeowners find themselves wondering why insurance companies seem to have a box or window where they might refuse to provide or adjust homeowners insurance coverage. To understand this, we need to explore the complex relationship between insurers, risk assessment, and homeowners protection.
Insurance companies operate on a fundamental principle, which is managing risk. They take a look at weather, location, historical perspectives in terms of trying to make sure they are evaluating the property and the insurance risks as accurately as possible.
This is a time leading up to a national disaster like a hurricane, during which insurers may exercise caution when underwriting or adjusting homeowners insurance.
The main takeaway from all this is if you're buying a home during a hurricane season in Florida, make sure you have arranged with your insurance agent to get a binder or lock in coverage before you actually close on the property, because there is the possibility that when you do close, there's a hurricane sitting right off the coast, and no insurer is going to write any coverage during that time.
And it's very important, if you are the buyer, that you talk to your insurance person. You talk to them as soon as you go into contract, and you prepay or you bind your homeowner's insurance and flood insurance. Because if there is a hurricane out there in that grid or box, they will not write homeowners insurance, and you will not be able to close on that property. And you know what, Tom? Sometimes after the hurricane goes away, and let's say there's been no damage in our area, because you know, this is Pinellas County. We are in blessed territory. However, sometimes then the insurance companies still want to send someone out there to make sure that there's no damage to the property. So this can really delay a closing.
This is not only important for the buyer, but if you happen to be selling a property, it would really be a nice neighborly thing for you to let your realtor know that they need to remind the other realtor and the buyer that the buyer's got to take care of this so that he has insurance on the property when the time comes to close.
To sum it up, please make sure during hurricane season here in Florida that you prepay or bind your homeowner's insurance.
That's really a good idea.
Tom and I did a whole series of hurricane videos to help homeowners prepare for a hurricane, especially if you live here in Florida. So please take a look at all of these videos that we did.
Don't get caught in the box.
If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. You know, Tom and I, we'd love to do videos on Tuesday for what, Tom?
TomKat Tuesday.
Tom and I, we sell paradise in Pinellas.